theory test. How am I going to prepare for it?
Theory test. Is it going to be an interview? What kind of question will I be asked?
الاختبار النظري. كنت أعتقد أن هذه الاختبارات انتهت عند إتمامي لدراستي في الكلية.
Test. Computer test. زه خو ګاډی نشم چلولی نو کمپیوټر به څنګه وچلوم زه لاړم.
Now you can stop worrying. Emirates Driving Institute can help you prepare for this challenge.
The design of the theory test is based on international standards, followed in countries like the US and the UK.
The theory test examines your knowledge of the RTA driving manual and tests to see if you have the necessary road awareness required to drive safely. Passing the theory test is mandatory for moving on with the practical driving test.
The test cannot be passed unless you have read and understood the RTA driving manual thoroughly. EDI now offers you the best training framework to help you pass your theory test with elaborate lectures by experienced lecturers and a mock testing system. EDI offers you a surefire way to pass your theory test. Let's see how you can prepare for your test in just 5 steps.
You will have to register for your driving license first. Just walk into any of EDI's 60 branches and our friendly customer service officials will get you registered for your driving license in no time. Once you are registered with EDI and your file is opened, you will be booked for the theory test. Your learner's permit and registration number will be required to book the theory test. The booking agent will offer you the earliest appointment date and time for the vehicle category and language you have requested. The theory test can be taken at the EDI head office in Al Qusais or at the Al Quoz Test Centre. The booking agent will then issue a booking confirmation and also provide you with a document that contains the rules for rescheduling and cancellation of the theory test. On the day of your theory test, make sure that you arrive at the test centre at least 30 minutes before the appointed time. At the reception desk, show your learner permit, a photo ID, and the payment receipt. The testing room rules are prominently displayed, which you must make sure to read carefully. You will then be shown your lockers, where you must put all your personal belongings, including your mobile phone. The mobile phone must be switched off before you put it in the locker. Please make sure that you do not take your mobile phone into the testing area. Just retain your ID with you. When your turn to take the test comes up, you will be called to the reception desk to sign in. The receptionist will return your documents and direct you to the test room. Remember, do not take your mobile phone with you. Just take your ID. At the test room, make sure that you sit at the testing station that has been assigned to you. The test starts automatically. Your private workstation comprises a touchscreen and headphones. You will need the headphones only if you want the questions to be read out to you in one of 4 languages currently available: English, Pashto, Urdu and Arabic. If you want the questions to be read out to you in other languages, we have reader accommodation facilities available for you. Before you take the real test, you will be given a brief tutorial. The tutorial session is for about 10 minutes and tells you how to take the test. The theory test is a multiple choice test with a question and 3 answer choices. Once you decide on what the correct answer is, you can touch the correct answer on the screen. You will have to answer 35 such questions in all. You will be given 30 minutes to complete the session. In order to pass the theory tests, you must score 12 out of 18 specific questions set and 11 out of 17 common questions. Once you have completed the theory test, leave your testing station and proceed to the reception. The receptionist will give you the results sheet.
If you have failed the test, just don't worry. All you have to do is reapply and attempt the test again. To ensure that you get a good result, EDI has lined up various educational resources that have been prepared, keeping your success in perspective.
Emirates Driving Institute's mock testing room is an exact replica of the actual testing area. Even the test screens and questions have been replicated to simulate the test room settings so that you feel relaxed when you take the actual test.
So why don't you take a mock test today? And we assure you that you'll be a more confident person when it's time to take the RTA theory test. We wish you all the best.